were you conscious when they were doing this? Or
they put me to sleep.
They put you to sleep, so you were not conscious. So you just woke up and you saw the blisters, and then you asked.
Yes. I tell you, now only her intestine and not see. Everything open. Here now, we have discovered that she's not even a doctor. When she no get license, she just they do the nyash for the girls. And because girls want nyash and belle and everything, they can easily make a flat nobody she fit just easily make money. And it's so crazy.
Abuja sister was say wawo na owo wie ye ne fo ayekese eni nti opese okoye tamitak. Abuja me no kasa ne de sisie no. Ne yefunu de aye no. Aginyame nko na bebe ma obetimi anya ayaresa. Ne nyina ye cosmetic surgery ya abe ya nkofo yi. Eno bi na okoye ye ewo Gurufied Hospital. Very dark man, Nigerian social media activist. Ono na wadi agine man. Watimi akohwe erano eno wacheche nsem ne nyina mu de ekobaaye. Ene de esiye bia. Dr.Sandra na oye sa surgery ni man no. Sisi ade wedwane. But Gurufied Hospital Limited eno so aya lock no. Very dark man ene security Nigerian police and some other government officials echo hospital ho no mo a niema wo mukuhu ye no abusua ebe shock you ahai aba loudest and any first time awusia me a make sure so be click subscribe button no like video in natural wadwen e wo comment section ho
aba loudest
so hospital needing the Gurufied Hospital ewo Abuja Nigeria and a 21-year-old lady or wa won ba wa we kra and also owo ba wie no nefu ayekese enti opese okoye tamitak said de be ya nefu no ebeye flat na eja wetimi dia born life and enti hospital eba na adwem eye Gurufied Hospital oni omo chaate ye etre ne sika obetua any process obefem ansa na ya carry out surgery no ne nyina odi so ya surgery na wie afi de sister ena nefu so a start process bi enama yemfa nhye fridge mu eni enyai very dark man ever sete no yenti ensem a okachre no.
So the administration is their advice. So I saw a video of this lady trending on social media where they said she went to go and do BBL. They said she go do nyash, and as a result of doing nyash, all this thing happened to her. But when I came here, the story is different because if she go do nyash, now nyash will be affected. She no go fit sit down or lie down like this. So apparently, she's just 21 years old. She gave birth to a child, and then she went to go and do tummy talk. So she went to that hospital. Where's the hospital?
Gurufied.
Which area? Kubwa. So she went to Gurufied to actually do the tummy talk. How much were you charged?
They were on promo. That's 3.5 million.
So the initial price was 7 million.
Yes.
So they were doing promo 3.5 million. So she paid. And when she paid, did you sign any consent form?
When you wanted to do this?
Yes. You signed the consent form. Do you have a copy of the form?
No, they are with it.
They are with it.
Yes.
So they didn't give you a copy of the old form.
No.
Okay. So she signed the form, and after the whole thing, how many days did it take before you started seeing all of this?
The same week.
The same week?
Yes.
Then all this happened. You have to come closer and get a video of it. So, did you contact the doctor? Have you sent this video to the person that did the surgery for Abby, the tummy talk for you?
Yes.
What did she say?
They told me that I should come back for the debridement of wound. Then the wound was having the skin, but it's dead. So they said I should come back for the debridement. So that was why I came back the second time. So when I came back, they told me that I can't stay in that facility. That I should go and stay in hotel. I'll be coming from hotel to the facility and come and be doing dressing. And I was really in pain. Even the day they told me to come, they said their car is going to pick me up in the airport. When I arrived, nobody was there. They didn't even give me an address.
Where did you come from to do this?
From Abidjan, which I stay in.
From Abidjan in Ivory Coast?
Yes.
You came all the way from Abidjan to do this? Are you Nigerian?
Yeah,
Your both parents are Nigerian?
No, my dad is Nigerian.
Your dad is Nigerian, your mom is Ivorian?
Yes.
Okay. So, and then when you came from Ivory Coast, wait, you did it, then you went back to Ivory Coast?
I went back to Lagos because I have people there that can look at me.
Okay.
That was why I went there.
Okay.
Because there's a lot of aftercare facilities in Lagos.
Okay.
And I know, but I've never been to Abuja. This is the first time I'm coming here.
Okay.
So and I cannot stay alone. I need help.
Okay.
That was why I went back. Before we started, even before I fly, the sign has already started coming out. The day they did the surgery, my body was there was a lot of blisters in this wound with water inside. So I told them, I said, why is my body like? They say it's going to go. That my body is sensitive. That was like, even the same day, the lady was like, I removed 4 liters of fat in my stomach.
What's the lady's name, please?
Dr.Sandra.
Dr. Sandra.
Yes.
Okay. Oh, wow.
So then,
Were you conscious when they were doing this? Or
they put me to sleep.
they put you to sleep, so you were not conscious? So you just woke up and you saw the blisters,
Yes.
and then you asked?
Yeah, before I left the hospital, the nurses, they use that injection. That means they use it and burst all the blisters.
How many blisters?
It was much, like this one part. That was where the blisters.
Oh, so the blisters were here, so they were the one that busted it?
Yes, that was the first stage of the wound. Before the pain.
So when did this whole thing happen? What day? Do you remember the day?
That the pain opened finally.
No, the date you went there for this.
On the 8th of November.
On the 8th of November?
This month, yes.
No, this month is December.
Yeah.
8th of November, so it's not up to a month. Yes. In 5 days, it will be a month.
Yes.
And then you started saying all of this after how many days?
That same week, my body formed that, what's the name? That black necrosis, as they used to say. So then I sent them the picture. Then I said I need to come back for debridement. So going back, and then even before I went, we went to hospital because I was not breathing well. The hospital I went to, they didn't give me that thing for breathing. Like I was already like going unconscious. So we told them that I cannot fly now, that they should give me some days before I come back to Abuja for debridement. So in the hospital, we're paying with the hospital know about it. I'm not going to mention that I'm in Lagos. So they treated me, so I started breathing well. So it was half that next and I booked flight and come to Abuja. And they never even come to pick me up, as they said. So when I got to the facility, the nurses were there. When they opened it, they saw it. And I said, doctor is coming by 2 p.m. We now waited, nobody was coming. He said, there is no doctor, and I'm unconscious. Even in the airport, everybody was helping me.
Wait, when you go to the hospital, did you pay them any money? When you go to Dr.Sandra's hospital again?
Second time, no.
So they didn't
said
charge you?
they are going to.
The other hospital, did you pay any money?
Yes.
How much did you spend?
We spent more than 1 million.
Okay, so there's no problem.
So in the evening, because the doctor did not come, I was staying in that facility. So, and I told the staff that I cannot go to hotel because I'm not okay. And in case anything happen, who will I call? So that was how I sent one video to you. That was how the guy dragged me from the facility outside. They threw my things outside.
The guy in the Dr.Sandra's hospital,
Yes.
they dragged you outside and threw your things.
You pushed me out. This guy pushed me, scattered all my things on the floor, left it, pushed me outside and locked the gate. Despite my condition, he left me and walked away. That's the Gurufied team member, one of the staff, leaving, abandoning me outside with the security of the compound. Can everyone see this? Can everyone see how I'm stranded in a compound? This is the Gurufied.
Accompany something now. No one will the number is for you have my number.
The police came, Kuba police station. They came to carry me. They are the one that put me in hotel that night after they left me stranded outside.
Shout out to the Kuba police then. Anyways, I've seen everything, and so I would have asked you what you wanted, but in this case, obviously it's justice, and people like the doctor, I don't know, we'll ask the legal people waiting be the next thing what we'll do, but hopefully we'll try to do the best we can for you. So I'll get back to you, I'll have a contact, I'll get back to you, you understand? And I'm sure you like this hospital, they are treating you better. Okay, so thank you very much. Alright, fine. Thank you. Alright.
Thing go online. She don't rush, come put permanently close. We have moved to the new location. We just left the new location. Nothing the new location. And see equipment still there here.
If you look up, you see the autoclave. There's an autoclave upstairs.
Autoclave there, sir. I think when I speak English, we just don't say people like this.
There's a lady, they say she's Dr.Sandra, but she's not a doctor.
So we just know. So coming here now, we have discovered that she's not even a doctor. She no get license. She just they do the nyash for the girls. And because girls want nyash and belle and everything, they can easily make and flat not be she can just easily make money. And it's so crazy because you put other people's life at risk because of small money where you want to get. And they give discounts to put people under the knife. Now, if this girl come by now, no problem. And the girl come all the way from Ivory Coast. Even the real doctors where they do them, you go spoil their business automatically. You know, and it's not good. So this place they will lock them, but before they lock them, government dey here as well. Okay. So Oga say himself one because obviously this one a decoy. They are still here. This is a decoy, but because of the smoke, they want to just do as if they closed it. So Oga wants to get access to do his proper work as the government. You understand? So Oga, first of all, in a quick response, God bless you. So our country will grow like this, moving on. More they respond like this, the country will grow. So first things first, I have a question for you. People that are doing plastic surgery and blah blah blah, are they supposed to operate in a place like this?
Well, first and foremost, we don't, we are the ones who also register and regulate all private facilities. And there are processes for registration.
So you look at the camera.
Now they had applied to register. We don't allow health facilities to work.
These are the findings.
Okay.
This case was adequate for service. It was located 400 meters away from a city facility. The structures to be located within a residential building were not approved within a residential building. You get? So she was not advised to look for a standalone structure and invite from C for a preliminary inspection.
And she not do one.
And she never done.
And she just starts. She just
Actually, hospitals clinic in a residential area. So when they wrote to us, we did not approve this place for them. We asked them to get a new place and then rewrite to us to invite us to come and check out the place. Because that is the first step in the registration. But to our greatest surprise, when we saw your video, which we also thank you for making that public, at least to draw attention to that. That was why we now checked and saw that they had not actually done what we asked them to do. And they went ahead and started operating.
That means she didn't even know that she was in operation.
They didn't know that they started operating because they were not approved or licensed to start operation. So they were doing that on their own. And that is why we have come to shut down.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. And the girl is still in the hospital. I don't know if you get mine, make a carry you there. If you see the bed, it remains small.
Which hospital?
It is for DIF. They are doing well. The DIF hospital, they are doing amazing. Yes,
Go there.
We'll go there, you go and see. But if you get mine, because like I said,
we had president, so we should be asking you if you get money.
no, me I get mine. I go, I see am. Bro, I tell you, say now only our intestine I not see. Everything open. Everything open. It's crazy, you know. And today now, I think yesterday they gave the girl bill.
Yeah, because
when they knock the girl
going to take a lot to graft those wounds. Because they have to even do a lot for it to. I saw a lot of infections already.
Yes.
So they have to take care of it, debride those infections, and allow it to granulate properly before they even do grafting on it. So it's a whole lot.
But okay, you think also alive no go?
No. At least the good thing is that it came in. She was arrested in good time, and then proper things started. They started to do proper things for her. So by the grace of God, she will.
Okay. So, ladies, don't say before they make video, they don't say this nyash going under the knife and all these things. Have self-confidence. But just in case you want to do it, look for a very good doctor to do it for you. And you can also go to the gym. It will help you. It will take a little bit of time, but it will actually help you, you know. Go to the gym, it will improve your health, and it's even way more better. And going under the knife, you will come go cut yourself, you know.
Natural is the best.
Natural is the best way. You understand? I mean, we like nyash, we will not lie, but you just need to gym for it. Thank you very much.
So thank you. Have you contacted the manager?
They go don't tell that one day run now, guys.
He's not picking.
Don't run.
Not picking.
Anyway, let's put our seat.
Let's put our seat. Let me get the seat.
Where my own parlor because me say come okay. So I got put seat. They no day.
We have our chain, right?
Yeah.
Chain no day. I go plenty. Chain many here. Master, say we civilians get right to law.
Right, 100%.
Okay. Which part of the law is that?
The law gives us access to all the and the right to because we call them committing crimes, flagrant delictus. This is what you call flagrant delictus.
Okay.
We're caught committing this offense in the act.
Okay.
You see the facilities they use to commit the crime here. You also see that the apparatus they use to commit the crime is still very good. And the apparatus is still very healthy. So under the law, we have the right as citizens to ensure that we stop this. This is citizens awareness. So under the law, we are very much committed to ensure that we stop crimes of this nature. And that's why we have to stop this, and that's why we're stopping the crime that is ongoing. Flagrant delictus.
That's right. Me and you continue with love explanation like this.
Shut down all the place. I was shut down VIO yesterday.
Oh, you don't shut down VIO
yesterday? I banned them permanently because of appeal judgment.
Nigerians go happy with you, but me I get friends from VIO, so I don't follow you. Judgment. Master, don't go shut them down. Don't shut them down.
Too much. So
Nigerians will love you so much for doing that, but me, they are my friends. I love plenty of them. I have good friends there.
They went beyond the bounds. There was no law that supported it.
It's alright. Move.
Another one. The big gets rat exit for back. Akoni kopa baya didn't try only back up.
Establishment, Registration and Monitoring Committee from C. Active, they are very, very active.
100.
Very active. Okay.
Now diesel continue.
They use diesel for the nursing.
Where is he?
Boss, another project today for back.
And they'll go back soon. No, same 20. No, wait. You can follow. Exactly.
Forever short.
Calm down. So we'll go back now, another dog.
So let me use your key. Let TV.
Yes, to be proper. You get where the padlock, Dogo? Give her the padlock, so then give her the key. Okay. See the back here. That's the back.
See the big part.
Where is it?
Yeah, only chain.
There's a hook there, so just padlock.
Look at I think put that sticker on top of the key.
This is the outside door.
Yes.
Only chain here.
The sticker can be okay.
So you guys you go now.
Give me the stickers. Everything they have is.
You were doing they don't give you food. For the money they pay, they will be very wicked not to give you food.
This place does not qualify ourselves.
That's all.
Why was not approved?
No. That's one.
So this kid now is other.
Yeah, carry. Our own results we want. Make Nigeria good. Nothing concerns we okay. Make everywhere good. That's the thing. Yeah. That's it. Let's go now.
Up the loudest.